So back in day 12 of our OSCP Plus journey, we actually demonstrated how Hydra could be used to help us to crack the passwords and actually it felt kind of automated like um, SSH into a terminal. So we're gonna use that same approach today, that same EC2 instance, and we're starting to learn about the powers of Metasploit. Here in day 16, let's go ahead and hop in the console. So to get Metasploit started, the framework, this is the command sudo msf console. And here in a brief moment, we'll get some kind of fancy, unique banner. I don't know how many they have out there, but it's the highlight of my morning to see this banner pop up. Okay, there we go. And of course, Metasploit framework, currently open source, created by Rapid7, and you can see that also here. But we're going to get started by, there's different categories, different, I guess, specific buckets, but in our information gathering, that's called auxiliary. There's an exploit type as well, but to see what's out there, you just simply need to type search and type colon and auxiliary. We won't put a keyword behind it just to show you the sheer brevity. 1,671 different components here. Whew, that's a lot there. But again, I digress. We'll go ahead and put a keyword after it. We, of course, need SSH, but let's see, that gets us 28. And if we look at these, we actually need something that's going to help us log in. All right, so we've got two here, and out of the two, we're going to actually use this one here. So let's go ahead and type use 0. That's the ID for that there. And if we type, I think it's info. Let me see. If we type info, we get more information, more details about that. We see the description here, and then we also see whether the attributes or parameters, I should say, are required or not. And even if it says yes, there's some current or default settings that are loaded there. But we know from kind of like Hydra similarly, we already know the username is Wreck-It Ralph. We have the remote host. The IP did change because it's a public address, not a elastic IP. And then we need our password source. So we'll use that same short file list there. So the way to do that is to set a remote host. You can do it uppercase like they have it or lowercase. And that password is 13223 247. Looking in the console, hopefully that's right. We'll leave the destination port at 22. We'll set the, I think it's username. Let's go back up here. Yeah, username. Username is Wreck It Ralph. And then we've got that password file, pass underscore file. All right. And so we'll set the path to reach that. Set pass underscore file. And that'll be, of course, user, share, wordless, short. We can tab that one out. And then we can go ahead and hit run. Maybe exploit here as well. And let's see if this will get to working today. Let's see. And there's so much more to learn. This is that tool though, from reading the rules from OffSec, that it can only be used on one host or endpoint during the exam. But again, through the studies here in this first month, just trying to get kind of go broad and establish that baseline fundamentals and a little bit advanced in some of these for each. And then, like we said, we want to hit these boxes. So let's see. We'll let that go. So we haven't run this test on this endpoint. We did this specific lab last night before going to bed. Here today, it's morning. Shout out to Carlos Alvarez. Yeah, he just beat the Joker for, I think, the Australian Open in tennis, and he becomes the youngest to, I think, accomplish the career Grand Slam. 22 years old. That's crazy. Let's see back here. Maybe if I hit enter again to try to speed it up. This is taking a while to get started. Don't. I know I need some coffee, but not sure uh, if my VMware instance or VM needs it too. But we'll let this whirl, and we'll see here. But that lets us know off the bat we do like Hydra. And one other thing to note, from reading blogs and stuff, kind of, I won't say common sense, but logically it makes sense that wherever there's a module or an exploit within Metasploit, there's going to be another non-Metasploit way of achieving that same thing. So it might require a little bit more research, investigation, etc. on our ends. But like I said, that limitation within the exam to only be able to use this tool once is, it lets us know, at least up front, we should start searching a bit earlier for some of these situations or scenarios during our studies. Wow, this is taking a bit. Oh man, that seemed to take forever. That was a bad experience. But let's see. I think it's creds. Let's see. But they did find the creds, and that is the correct creds. I just don't know why that took so long to run. Like there's there's 200. We'll do a word count here. Let's open a new session, new tab. Control plus. Let's word count, user, share, word list. It's 201. And we saw, and again, day 12, Hydra took, I know it was less than 30 seconds. It might have been quicker, but this is, I don't know if we can tune this up a little bit better or not, but at the end of the day, that's kind of what it is. Like I said, I like to sometimes CMD there. Let's make sure we can still get in before we shut that EC2 instance down. But I like to test outside of the lab, meaning, what they give us in there, just to see how this will work on a real world. I did pause the video because it was taking so long. So we'll SSH to rec it Ralph at 13.223.69.247. This will be let it snow 2026, and we're in. Cool. So yeah, that's pretty much a brief, well, it took a while to run, but that's our demonstration on leveraging Metasploit in the auxiliary type of module there. Like we know there's different modules such as exploit. Let's control C out of here. Like if we type help, we can get a little bit more details on the breakdown. We can see there's the auxiliary commands, developer commands. There's actually a database that you can start and save for reuse. So, there's different, although they didn't list all the modules here, different modules there. But thank you so much. Like I said, this one didn't go all the way as expected. Just happy that it did eventually do its job. I probably should test these, but sometimes I like to just see how it is and be a little bit surprised with you all out there. But let's get back to studying, me, myself, and we'll see you tomorrow on day 17. But until next time, stay safe, take care of yourselves, and peace.